In this video, we want to give you 5 quick tips for packing your travel suitcase. Are you done with packing?
Yeah.
We're going for 2 weeks.
Then I need a second pair of underwear.
When we travel, usually I am packing our suitcase with all our clothes and David is responsible for the equipment. So let's start with tip number 1. Roll and fold your clothes. Fold each side to the center and now roll it up. With your t-shirts, you can make little packages like this, so you can save space and you have a good overview of all your clothes and an easy access to every shirt. Tip number 2, use packing cubes. We have these great packing cubes from Peak Design in different sizes. They're not the cheapest, but we like their quality. Of course, you can also use other packing cubes. Packing cubes are great to separate and organize your stuff. To save space, there is a zipper to compress your clothes. I also like that there is a second compartment which you can use for your dirty clothes.
Wow.
Ah! David! For our shoes, we have an extra shoe pouch. Packing cubes are great. I definitely recommend using them. Tip number 3, put liquids like shampoo or shower gel in a zip bag. It's possible that the shampoo or the shower gel leaks out, so I want to pack them separately that I don't get my other stuff dirty or wet. Now David wants to tell you tip number 4.
An onion consists of several different layers. That's basically the onion principle.
Tip 4, the onion principle. When you are traveling and you are not sure what weather and temperature to expect, then it's great to have different layers which you can combine together. We love small and lightweight jackets. They don't need a lot of space, but you have another layer with you. Tip number 5, snacks and water. I'm a person who drinks a lot of water, and for me it's important to have always something to drink with me. At the most places where we are traveling to, we cannot drink the tap water, so we pack some water and also something to eat in our suitcase, so that when we arrive at the airport, we don't have to buy some water immediately. If you're interested in how David organizes and packs our equipment, you can find the link to the video here. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I wish you safe travels and hopefully I could help you with some of my packing tips.